Hey travelers, we've all been there, standing in that TSA line, stressed out, hoping nothing gets flagged. But did you know that ensuring your travel equipment is TSA compliant can save you time, hassle, and make your journey smoother? Today, I'll share simple tips to help you pack smartly and keep TSA happy. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right below this video for more stress-free travel hacks and tips. You'll find it right there. Tap it to stay connected with all my latest uploads. Let's start with your bag. Make sure it has easy access compartments to quickly grab electronics, liquids, or other items during security checks. For example, this backpack features a TSA pocket where you can store things like keys, wallet, or coins. It's such a lifesaver. Now for liquids, don't forget the 3-1-1 rule. Use a transparent pouch to hold travel-sized bottles under 3.4 ounces each. It keeps things neat and avoids repacking chaos. For electronics like laptops and tablets, pack them in a padded compartment that's easy to unzip. Trust me, it'll make those TSA moments so much faster. And finally, double-check prohibited items. Avoid sharp objects, large batteries, and anything that might set off alarms. When in doubt, check TSA's website for updated guidelines. Now you're set to breeze through TSA with no surprises. Packing smart is the key to stress-free travel. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who could use some travel advice. And don't forget, hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on my future tips for smoother journeys. See you in the next video.